In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image black and white in Canva. So what we have right in front of us is a vibrant color photo sitting pretty in our document. The first step in this transformation process is to click on the photo, which opens up a menu where you'll see an option titled Edit Photo. It's here that we find two different paths to turn our image into black and white. The first method involves manually adjusting the photo's attributes like color and saturation, brightness, and contrast. But if you're looking for a faster way to achieve that monochrome look, you can simply apply a quick effect. Let me show you how that works. Under the Filters tab, you'll notice a button that says See All. Once you click on that, you're presented with a variety of filter options. As you scroll through these, you'll eventually come across a Mono section, which, as you might guess, is filled with black and white filters. These filters offer a range of black and white styles, so you can experiment and find one that aligns with your vision. Now, if you're thinking of adding just a touch of color to the mix, instead of a fully black and white photo, you can adjust the intensity. By pulling down the intensity of the applied filter, you allow some of the original colors to peek through. It's important to remember, though, that you're adjusting the intensity of the filter, not the photo itself. This means you're in control of how much or how little color comes back, giving you a desaturated effect rather than pure monochrome. If one of these preset filters hits the nail on the head for you, feel free to select it as your choice. It's an easy and effective way to achieve the desired look. However, if these filters aren't quite doing it for you, don't worry, you have the control to create your custom black and white image. To do this, you'll want to deselect any filter by choosing None. Then, head over to the Adjust section. Here, you'll find a color slider specifically for saturation. Dragging this all the way to the left will entirely desaturate the image, making it black and white. Beyond just desaturation, you have options to refine the image's texture, sharpness, and clarity. Adjusting these can enhance the depth and detail of your black and white photo. You also have control over the shadows, highlights, blacks, and whites, as well as contrast. All these adjustments provide you with a high degree of customization, allowing your creative vision to truly shine. And there you have it. With these tools at your disposal, you can effortlessly transform any color photo to black and white using Canva. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful for you as you bring your imagery to life in timeless monochrome.